You can see there are roaches in there, so I'm gonna give them to the chickens. Watch them. There they go. There they go. No, roaches are not poisonous to your chickens. As you can tell, they love them. There she goes. She's running. Yep, they're chasing her. That's the best part. That is the best part, when they chase each other like that. Oh, she stole it. Oh, she stole it. Of course she did. I wonder if she got it. Yeah, I think she got it. Yep, she's got it. Don't worry, for those of you who love nature, I know I love nature too, but not like y'all. They were already dead, so nothing to complain about. They're already dead. You're good. And figure, since I'm out here, I might as well show y'all the eggs. Under this mama right here. Well, she wants to be a mama. Right here. See? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 8. Yeah, we got 9. Alright, girl, let's get you back on that nest. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See ya later.